What's up, online shoppers? You can see that I live somewhere where we get a fair amount of snow, and I just got myself another one of these really cool little electric snow shovels. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what it looks like in action. Now, the thing that I know about these snow shovels is that they are gonna go together pretty easily. And that's what it looks like when you get it packed in the box. Now, you can see from looking at it that all of the cording is protected, completely wrapped inside of the handle. So basically you just put it like this, and then this little screw piece will twist in just like a screw and secure each part of the handle, making it lock solid and straight. We're going to connect the next piece and do the same thing. Push it back into the handle, bring the screw down and twist it in place to secure it nice and tight. And there you go, we have our full assembly right here. Now the next thing is going to be the batteries. Yes, I'm using ice picks to open up my package. How do you spot a northern girl? She's got Rapella ice picks in her pocket. Now, this is the extra support handle that you're going to put on here. This allows you to have a comfortable two-handed grip on the snow shovel. And what I loved about this snow shovel is that it actually came with two 21-volt batteries, which is super convenient because it means you can have one on the shovel, one charging, and have a longer period of time that you can use this before you worry about running out of battery charge. The user guide and a pretty standard plug for charging. No fancy chargers required. You simply just plug this in here, and then you plug this into the wall. 2.5 to 3 hours later, you got a charged up battery. Finally, we're going to install this little handle. It's pretty easy. It's just got a threaded screw that goes through that you pull back. Ooh. Don't drop the washer. You pull back like this, snap onto your handle where you want it. Now, of course, what's nice about this is you can adjust it to your particular preference for where you'd like the handle to be, and then just screw it back in again. Get our little washer in place. And we are good. Batteries slide on really easy, just like this. And a little click, and you know you've got it in place. In order to use this little electric snow shovel, you do have to make sure that you have the safety depressed before you squeeze the trigger here. That's going to ensure that you don't turn it on by accident. With the battery, it weighs about 7.9 pounds, so just under 8 pounds. And it's great for anybody who doesn't want to use a lot of weight in their upper body to get the shoveling done. Runtime for this is pretty solid. You're going to get somewhere between 25 and 30 minutes per battery, which is a really good time ratio. Definitely solid enough to blitz a driveway or your walkway and your front deck or your back patio all in one shot. Being able to swap out the battery is also a superpower, I think, because this is an all-in-one. You don't have to go buying other batteries, or you don't have to go looking for accessories that are going to match your snow shovel. You've got them already right out of the box. Now, the shovel itself has directional chutes, which means that you can change this up to 90 degrees. Push knobs here, so you literally just push it and change the direction. It's not hard or difficult to change at all. And you can also go the other direction too. Just shift, and then it'll click into place so you know that it's locked, which means it's going to throw the snow in up to 90 degrees direction one way or another. So what does it look like in action? Well, let's show you. Depress the button, squeeze the trigger, and there we go. Now, this is a handy little unit. I'm 5'6", and I find that it works pretty good. Does not throw the snow really high, but if you're looking to clear a path on your walkway or your patio, it's definitely going to do the job for you. The only thing I will say is that I have used some snow shovels that are a little bit longer, and this one here, because it doesn't throw it super high, I do have to bend over a little bit more to get it to work. So if you are looking for a snow shovel to clear your paths and driveways, that's going to save you the strain on your back. This one here, this great little handy one that comes in under 8 pounds, is definitely going to be a family favorite at our house.